If you're looking for an alternative to dangerous pesticides and exterminators, the Indoor-Outdoor Kit has everything you need. It'll protect your family, your pets, your home, and your lawn, so here's how to use it. Step 1. To kill and prevent outdoor bugs like mosquitoes, ants, fleas, ticks, and chiggers, apply PCO Choice to your entire yard. Don't forget to spray shrubs and small trees. Apply twice the first month and just monthly after that. Then, spread Cedarcide granules throughout your lawn every 4 to 6 weeks. Because Cedarcide is family safe and non-toxic, there's no downtime. You can enjoy your yard right after applying. Step 2. Cedarcide all-purpose bug spray makes getting a bug-free home easy and stress-free. To kill bugs, just spray them directly. To prevent bugs, spray entry points and trouble areas weekly. If you have houseplants, prevent damaging bugs by misting them once a week. Step 3. To prevent painful bug bites, apply Cedarcide all-purpose bug spray before heading outside. To protect your dog from fleas, ticks, and other biting bugs, lightly mist all over and massage it into their coat. Then use your hands to apply it to their face. For cats, apply using your hands and rub it into their fur. Reapply every 2 to 3 days for dogs and every 3 to 4 days for cats. And that's it. If you have questions or need help placing an order, chat us at cedarcide.com or call the number below.